Welcome to this guided meditation voiced by kids. Today, we invite you to join us at a joyful backyard barbecue, where the enticing aroma of sizzling food and the warmth of friendly laughter fill the air. As we embark on this guided meditation, let us explore the magic of a barbecue and find a peaceful retreat within ourselves. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and imagine yourself standing in a beautiful backyard on a sunny day. Feel the gentle breeze against your skin, carrying the sounds of laughter and joy. Picture a colorful array of decorations adorning the space, as you find yourself surrounded by your loved ones and friends. As you explore the surroundings, notice the enticing scent of smoky charcoal and sizzling food wafting through the air. Visualize the grill, its flames dancing gracefully, as it becomes the heart of the gathering. Take a moment to appreciate the vibrant colors of the fresh vegetables and juicy fruits, neatly arranged on a platter, waiting to be grilled. As you approach the grill, feel the warmth radiating from its surface. Observe the chef skillfully flipping burgers, turning skewers of marinated vegetables, and basting succulent barbecue ribs. Each sizzle and pop fills you with anticipation for the delightful feast to come. Imagine finding a comfortable spot to sit and relax, surrounded by the sound of friendly conversations and the rustling of leaves in the nearby trees. Feel the warmth of the sun on your skin as you bask in its gentle rays, filling you with a sense of tranquility. Now, let's take a moment to focus on our breathing. Inhale deeply, feeling the fresh air fill your lungs, and exhale slowly, releasing any tension or worries. As you breathe in and out, notice how your body and mind begin to relax, embracing the calmness of this moment. Now, let your imagination take flight as we dive into the flavors and textures of the food. Picture the juicy burger, its savory aroma making your mouth water. Envision taking a bite and experiencing the explosion of flavors. The tender meat complemented by the crisp lettuce, juicy tomato, and creamy sauce. Move on to the smoky and perfectly charred vegetables, each bite bursting with earthy goodness. Taste the subtle sweetness of caramelized onions, the satisfying crunch of grilled bell peppers, and the tender zing of marinated mushrooms. Next, envision the sticky sweet barbecue ribs, the meat falling off the bone, and the tangy sauce coating your fingers. Feel the combination of flavors and textures as you savor each bite, savoring the harmony between savory and sweet. As you indulge in this sensory experience, take a moment to appreciate the joyful atmosphere surrounding you. Listen to the laughter and conversations, the shared stories and happy memories being created. Feel the love and connection between family and friends, embracing the warmth of their presence. Now, as the sun begins to set, casting a warm golden hue over the gathering, take a deep breath, and slowly bring your awareness back to the present moment. Carry the tranquility and contentment you experienced during this meditation with you as you re-enter the world. As we bring our meditation to a close, remember the peacefulness and joy that a barbecue can bring. May the warmth of this experience stay with you, filling your heart with gratitude and a renewed appreciation for the simple pleasures of life. Open your eyes, feeling refreshed, rejuvenated, and ready to embrace the world with a smile. Remember, the magic of a barbecue is not just in the food, but in the connections we make, the laughter we share, and the joy that fills our hearts. Until our next adventure, keep the spirit of a barbecue alive within you, spreading love, kindness, and deliciousness wherever you go. Thank you for joining us today. Please subscribe for more meditation content. Like or share this video.